Have you ever been shocked with someone whom you like, you trust, you work with, or you spend your time with, has suddenly started behaving in a way that feels out of character? At very fast moment, what do you think? Do you think hurt? Do you feel confusion? Do you feel anger? Yes, it's very much possible. Your mind starts racing. आप एक ही मोमेंट के अंदर मिलियंस ऑफ थॉट्स सोचने लग जाते हैं. आप सोचते हैं कि यार कल ही तो हमने वी हैड अ नाइस डिनर टुगेदर, वी डिस्कस द प्रोजेक्ट टुगेदर, वी हैड सो मच लाफ्टर टुगेदर, and in fact I shared my whole idea with that person. Oh my gosh, what I have done! Why did I share my idea with that guy? Now he will go and he'll talk to the boss and he'll present my idea to the boss. Since morning today, he hasn't greeted me. In fact, when I greeted, he didn't respond. He started ignoring me. What has happened, man? And your whole time starts going in this way, just like it's a complete waste. Or you think, oh my god, I go with this lady every day for a walk and we share our secrets as well. We share, we always have a good talk with each other. But as suddenly she is ignoring me. She didn't talk to me at all in the morning. What has happened? कल ही तो हम लोग together shopping पर भी गए थे. Oh my goodness. It might have happened because I asked for a small favor. Is it? Is it that bad? Oh my gosh, man, she could have directly said no to me. But why started ignoring? Right? You keep thinking in a way. I would like to say, just take a pause. Do not overthink. It's not that every time is about you. It could be possible. Just ask to yourself, is it possible that the person has a terrible morning? He might have some kind of a stress, some kind of anxiety, or something might have happened with him in the morning जिसे उसे नहीं लग रहा कि वो शेयर करे. It's not the way what I am thinking, ignoring, it's not ignoring. It might be possible कि उसे कुछ टाइम चाहिए हो. I would like to say, instead of judging, choose the curiosity. Instead of assuming, choose the compassion. At that very moment, rather than assuming and having millions of these thoughts, take a pause. Go to the person. Just simply ask, is everything okay? That simple sentence can change everything. He might open up with you. Just give some time. Sometimes the time is a very big healer. Without thinking all these thoughts जो irrelevant हैं, just give some time. आपका एक सेंटेंस, एक स्मॉल सपोर्ट उस पर्सन को की लाइफ में एक चेंज ला सकता है. ही कैन ओपन अप विद यू एंड आपके वो जो उस मोमेंट पे द रिलेशन व्हाट वी हैव thought of or assumed, it can be more stronger. Well, write me in a comment. I would love to hear from you if you have held that situation. I would share my more personal experiences with you guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. Let's grow with love, grow with togetherness.